If you're running a small business and looking for SOP software, you've probably hit two problems. The free tools don't do enough, and the paid ones cost more than your entire software budget. We tested 6 of the most popular options, including the free ones, to find out which ones are actually worth your time in 2026. Let's get into it. For small businesses, the criteria look a little different from enterprise. We focused on 4 things. 1. Ease of use. Can someone who isn't a documentation specialist actually use this tool? 2. Speed. How fast can you go from 0 to a usable SOP? 3. Cost. What's actually free versus what requires a paid plan? 4. Shareability. Can you get guides in front of your team or clients without friction? Here's how the 6 tools stack up. Scribe is a workflow AI platform that automatically creates step-by-step guides by capturing what you do on your screen, where you click, what you type, what you say, and turning it into a formatted SOP with annotated screenshots in seconds. There's no writing involved. The free plan lets you create unlimited scribes using the Chrome extension, share them via a link, and embed them anywhere. It's genuinely free, no credit card required. For small businesses, the speed difference is the whole argument. Most SOPs take 45 minutes to write manually. In Scribe, the same guide takes 20 seconds. Who's it best for? Any small business owner, founder, or ops manager who needs to document processes quickly without a dedicated documentation team. Verdict: best overall. Fastest time to first SOP of any tool on this list. Notion is a flexible all-in-one workspace. Wiki, database, project management, and docs all in one place. The free plan is generous and genuinely functional for small teams. The limitation: documentation is entirely manual. You write everything from scratch. Notion gives you structure and flexibility, but it doesn't create the content for you. For small businesses that want one platform for everything and are willing to invest time in building and maintaining their own documentation, Notion is a strong choice. Who's it best for? Small teams who want a flexible workspace and are comfortable writing their own SOPs. Verdict: excellent workspace, manual creation is the trade-off. Google Docs is free, universal, and requires 0 onboarding. Almost everyone knows how to use it already. The reality: it's a word processor. There's no structure for SOPs, no screenshot capture, no organization system for a documentation library. Every guide is a blank page you fill from scratch. If you're documenting 1 or 2 processes and sharing them with a small team, Google Docs works. If you're building any kind of scale, more than a handful of guides, more than a handful of people, it breaks down fast. Who's it best for? Very early stage teams or individuals who need 1 or 2 simple guides and don't want to add a new tool. Verdict: free and familiar, not built for documentation at scale. ClickUp is a project management platform with a docs feature. The free plan is generous and covers most small business needs for task management. The docs work fine for basic documentation, but they're a secondary feature, not a documentation-first product. No auto capture, no guided user experience, no document-specific tooling. Who's it best for? Small teams who already use ClickUp for project management and want documentation in the same place. Verdict: good all-in-one. Documentation is not the focus. Trainual is purpose-built for SOPs and employee training, with role-based training paths, progress tracking, and clean structure. It's genuinely the best tool for building a formalized training program. The catch: it's not free, and the price point is more appropriate for a business that's actively onboarding multiple employees and has time to build structured content. Who's it best for? Small businesses that are scaling and ready to invest in a formal training system. Verdict: best structured training tool, paid, and requires time investment to set up. Coda is a doc and spreadsheet hybrid, highly flexible for building custom tools, databases, and workflows. It has a generous free tier and a lot of power for teams willing to spend time building. Like Notion, Coda doesn't create documentation for you. Its strength is building custom solutions, not out-of-the-box documentation. Who it's best for? Technical founders or ops leads who want to build custom internal tools and don't mind the setup time. Verdict: powerful and flexible, high learning curve, better for builders than for quick documentation. Here's the bottom line for small businesses. If you need to create SOPs fast with zero writing, Scribe. It's free, it's the fastest, and your first guide will take you 20 seconds. If you want one platform for docs, databases, and project management, Notion. Expect to invest time writing your own content. If you're already using ClickUp, use the docs. Don't add another tool just for documentation. If you're building a formal employee training program and ready to pay for it, Trainual is worth it. If you just need a blank page that everyone already knows, Google Docs. Just don't expect it to scale. If you're a builder who wants to create custom workflows, Coda is worth exploring. For most small businesses that just need to get processes out of their heads and into something their team can follow, start with Scribe. It's free, it's fast, and the first SOP takes 20 seconds to build. So here's where to start. Don't try to document everything at once. Pick one process, the one you explain to every new person, the one that gets done differently every time it changes hands. Capture it in Scribe today. 20 seconds, one less thing living rent-free in your head. Try Scribe free, the link's in the description.